Let's check out the latest retro custom. Comes with a metal flash hitter and the slim Predator hop-up. Bad outer barrel. Made out of alu for ultimate lightweight. Red alloy finger grip. A retro-style handguard from a GBU. We call it the Predator handguard. GBU's new line of custom for receivers. Red retro arms gearbox. Leviathan trigger. Even comes with a ETAC 551. X-Power buffer tube and Daniel defense stock. Let's give this beast a slap. Semi is insanely accurate. Time to go mental. Full auto is next level. This insane retro build is available now.